Hey, gamers and tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, your source for the latest and greatest in tech. Today, we're diving into the world of gaming peripherals with the Snpurdiri 60% wired gaming keyboard. But before we get into the nitty-gritty details, let's highlight some key features of this compact powerhouse. The Snpurdiri 60% keyboard boasts a compact design that's perfect for gamers and typists alike. Without the numpad, it provides more desk space and is suitable for a variety of environments, from gaming to business. Thanks to its ergonomic design, this mini gaming keyboard is comfortable for long-term use without causing fatigue. What's intriguing is its mechanical feel, even though it's a membrane keyboard, delivering that satisfying key press sensation without the noise. Get ready to light up your gaming setup with the Snpurdiri 60%. It features 6 dazzling backlight effects and 8 color options, allowing you to customize your typing experience. You can even adjust the lighting speed and level to suit your preferences. And with double color injection molding, those characters on the keys shine through clearly. If you're tired of the same old keyboard designs, this one brings a touch of elegance with its black and white color scheme. It's a classic style that stands out. Plus, the detachable cable and USB Type-C connection make it easy to transport and maintain a stable connection. The Snpurdiri team is all about quality. They've made continuous improvements, like upgrading to 2-color injection molding for a brighter RGB experience and optimizing key placement. Your satisfaction drives them to keep enhancing their products. Now, let's address some noteworthy questions you might have about the Snpurdiri 60% keyboard. Snpurdiri has been hard at work improving their product quality. They've replaced the middle frame with a transparent one, making the RGB lighting even brighter. The ESC key has also been moved for added convenience. Plus, the keycaps are now double color injected for crystal clear character illumination. Want to use arrow keys on this compact keyboard? It's easy. Just use the FN plus W combination to switch between the standard WASD gaming keys and the arrow keys. It's a smart design choice based on industry consensus. Wondering why there are no keyboard feet on the Snpurdiri 60% keyboard? Well, they listened to customer feedback, and many gamers prefer the straightforward style without adjustable feet. Can you use this keyboard with game consoles like PS4 or Xbox? Yes, you can, but you'll need a gaming keyboard adapter that supports your specific console. Snpurdiri recommends their own Snpur Tech Converter or the DGG adapter for compatibility with consoles like Switch, Xbox One, Xbox 360, PS4, PS3, Xbox Series S, and Xbox Series 10. So, there you have it, a closer look at the Snpurdiri 60% wired gaming keyboard. With its compact design, ergonomic comfort, mesmerizing RGB lighting, and continuous quality improvements, it's a fantastic addition to any gaming or working setup. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tech insights and reviews here on Product Critique. Do you own a compact gaming keyboard like this one? Share your experiences or any questions you may have in the comments section below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, where we explore the world of tech, one product at a time. Until next time, happy gaming and teching!